Hey guys, this is how to fix BeReal app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss three solutions for you, and for Apple users, I will show the step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So first solution is just simply go to the Google Play Store and tap on the search at the bottom and go for the top at the search bar and search for the application BeReal. And now just simply tap on the application guys. And when there is an update, instead of open, you should be able to see here update. And now just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update as well. So now for the second solution is just simply go to the settings into your device and just simply scroll down and just simply go for the apps. And after that, guys, just use the search bar at the top, or you can just simply try to find BeReal over here and tap on it. And after that, just simply go for the storage and just simply tap on the clear cache and you should be able to fix the issue. And now if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and try to clear data by just simply tapping on it and tap on OK, and you should be able to fix it. Now, if it still doesn't, the third solution is just simply go back on the top left over here. And now just simply tap on uninstall at the bottom and tap on OK. And from there, guys, just simply go ahead and go back to the Google Play Store and just simply reinstall it into your device. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If you have any question, guys, just simply comment down below. And I will try my best to answer your question. And thanks for watching. See ya.